Does your PC suddenly freeze? Apps stop responding. The mouse starts lagging. And when you open Task Manager and click End Task, nothing happens. Most people think the frozen app is the problem. But sometimes another hidden process is causing the issue. Today, I'll show you how to use Task Manager and a built-in Windows tool to find what is really freezing your PC. Let's get started. When a program freezes, most people open Task Manager and click End Task. Sometimes this works. Sometimes it doesn't. Why? Because the program you see on the screen might not be the real problem. Imagine you're stuck in traffic. The car in front of you isn't moving, but the real cause is an accident much farther ahead. The same thing can happen in Windows. One process gets stuck, then other programs start waiting for it. And suddenly, your entire PC feels frozen. That's why we need to look deeper. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. This opens Task Manager. Click More Details if needed. Now go to the Processes tab. Look for programs showing not responding or unusually high CPU usage or unusually high memory usage. If you spot one, don't end it yet. Instead, right-click it. Select Go to Details. This takes you to the Details tab. Here you'll see something called a PID. PID simply means Process ID. Think of it like an ID number for each program running on your computer. This helps Windows track exactly which process is doing what. Now we're going to use a hidden tool that most Windows users never open, and it can reveal what's actually causing the freeze. Step 2, check the wait chain. While you're in the Details tab, right-click the process again. Select Analyze Wait Chain. A small window appears. This shows whether the process is waiting for another process. If you see another process listed underneath, that process may be causing the problem. For example, Program A might be frozen because it's waiting for Program B, and Program B is the real culprit. This simple tool can save a lot of guessing, especially when multiple programs appear frozen at the same time. Step 3, open Resource Monitor. Now let's go even deeper. Press Windows plus R-type, respond, then press Enter. This opens Resource Monitor. Think of Resource Monitor as Task Manager's smarter cousin. Click the CPU tab. Look at the CPU column. If one process constantly stays at the top, that process may be overloading your system. Next, look at Average CPU. This helps you identify programs creating constant background load. You may discover a browser extension, a game launcher, a driver utility, or a startup program consuming resources without you noticing. Many freezes start here. Step 4, check for memory problems. Now click the Memory tab. Look at the Commit column. This shows how much memory a program is reserving. If one application keeps increasing its memory usage without stopping, it may have what's called a memory leak. Don't worry about the technical term. It simply means the program keeps using more memory than it should. Over time, this can slow your system, cause stuttering, and sometimes trigger freezes. If you notice one program using an unusually large amount of memory, try updating it or reinstalling it. Step 5, find locked files. Sometimes Windows can't close a program because a file is locked. In Resource Monitor, open the CPU tab, find associated handles, type part of the file name. Windows will show which process is using it. This can help you discover which application is preventing a file from being deleted, moved, or properly closed. Let's recap. Open Task Manager, use the Details tab, check the PID, analyze the wait chain, open Resource Monitor, monitor CPU and memory usage, and identify the real process causing the freeze. These tools are already built into Windows. No third-party software required. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe. And in the next video, I'll show you how to force Windows 11 to stop indexing unused folders for faster searches.